VCS-278 real questions are newly updated to help you pass the Administration of Veritas NetBackup 8.1.2 exam. 1. An administrator wants to use a client as the VMware backup host. Where is the name of the VMware backup host entered in NetBackup? A. Access Management, Virtual Machine Servers. B. Host Properties, Clients greater than VMware Access Hosts. C. Host Properties, Master Server greater than VMware Access Hosts. D. Media and Device Management, Credentials greater than Virtual Machine Servers. Answer: C. 2. Which characteristic applies to a catalog backup? A. Catalog staging files deleted after a successful catalog backup. B. A catalog backup can be configured to send disaster recovery information to an email address. C. A catalog backup must fit on a single tape. D. A catalog backup shuts down the NetBackup database. Answer: B. 3. Which schedule can be configured as a synthetic backup in addition to the full backup schedule type? A. Differential incremental backup. B. Cumulative incremental backup. C. User backup. D. Automatic backup. Answer: B. 4. Which two pools are created by default in the NetBackup? Choose 2. A. Default pool. B. Deduplication pool. C. Scratch pool. D. Catalog backup pool. E. Datastore pool. Answer: D. E. 5. An administrator is configuring a new device and receives the following error message: unable to determine robot type. What are two possible solutions? Choose 2. A. Download a new device _ mapping file from the Veritas support website. B. Ensure the tape drive is closed and ready for use. C. Perform a rescan of the available tape drives. D. Verify compatibility for the library with NetBackup. E. Select the correct device type for the drives. Answer: A. D. 6. Some NetBackup jobs are affected by the failure of a disk in an advanced disk pool, but the jobs are unavailable to view in the activity monitor. In which two places can the administrator view NetBackup jobs affected by the disk failure? Choose 2. A. Media and Device Management Device Monitor, Disk Pool. B. NetBackup Management, Reports, Disk Reports, Disk Logs. C. NetBackup Management, Reports, Disk Reports, Disk Pool Status. D. NetBackup Management, Reports, Disk Reports, Disk Storage Unit Status. E. NetBackup Management, Reports, Media Logs. Answer: B. E. 7. Which statement is false about NetBackup deduplication? A. Deduplication can be performed at the disk block level. B. Fingerprinting of data can be performed on the server side as well as the client side. C. Deduplication uses a capacity-based license. D. Media server deduplication has only been available since NetBackup 7.0. Answer: A. 8. Which schedule type is unsupported for a NetBackup catalog backup policy? A. Full backup with an after each backup session schedule. B. Cumulative incremental backup with an after each backup session schedule. C. Differential incremental backup with a frequency schedule. D. Differential incremental backup with a calendar schedule. Answer B. 9. What is the purpose of the logon and password settings in the Disaster Recovery tab of a NetBackup catalog backup policy? A.to specify credentials required to access a network share. B.to encrypt the NetBackup catalog backup data. C.to require credentials to perform a catalog recovery. D.to encrypt the disaster recovery file. Answer A. 10. A NetBackup environment suffers from intermittent network outages between the MSDP media server and clients during the backup window. This results in multiple backup failures. How should an administrator overcome the backup failure issue? A. Configure client-side deduplication. B. Increase the CR_stats_timer interval. C. Enable network resiliency. D. Increase the client connect timeout. Answer C.